All right, today's daily tangle. Okay, everybody, today's daily tangle is by Shazia. It's Elata. It is a sort of a flowery looking thing. Doesn't have to be flower, but it's sort of flower-ish. Interesting looking tangle. We'll see how it goes. First thing we do is create a line with circles. You probably could do more than just the two. It shows two, but I'm sure you could do a whole string of them. And then step two, they've got just making marks at approximately the halfway point. It looks like halfway up the circles and halfway on the string. I'm not sure I need to do that. I can recall, but you know, if you need that marking, absolutely go ahead and do that. And then the next step, you'll go from halfway on the circle up to that halfway point there and around this way. And then step four will go the other way. Either go downward or turn your page and go upward again, however is easier for you to draw. And then just fill in with some lines following the curve of this one that you did over here. So there's the samples. All sorts of cool things. This one filled in with red. That looks really cool. And I do think I have my red pen with me. Oh, I have a couple of pens with me. So that's very interesting. I may nab that. Matter of fact, you know what? I think I'm going to actually draw with my blue micron instead of my black one. I've just been inspired to draw with my blue micron instead of my black micron. And we're just going to see what happens. I'm going to go across my tile. I'm going to do a line and then an oval and then a line and then another oval. I'm going to do a few of them across my tile here. Like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and mark my points. I wasn't going to, but I think I will. The halfway mark, approximately halfway on my, I'm just going to follow my points aren't very big. You probably hardly can see them, but they're there. Okay, so for me, let's take a scrap piece of paper so I know which is the easiest way for me to draw that petal-like shape. Is it going to be easier to go like that or like that? Pulling it downward is actually easier for me to draw. So I'm going to turn my tile. Why I did that, I'm not really sure. And I'm going to come outward and like that, and outward and like that. And I'm going to do that on every one of them. Out and down, out and down, out and down, my tile and go the other way. Like so. And then we want to follow the curve of this around. Kind of like this. Right? Something like that. And then the other way, which is harder for me to decide how I want to draw that. This way, that's easier for me. Follow that curve. Oh, that's interesting, just like that, I think. Okay, stop playing with it and just finish off. Don't play with it until you've done at least one all the way through, Dawn. Okay, and kind of this way. Maybe it'd be easier to draw. No, it won't be easier to draw it that way. Those are very interesting, aren't they? I may decide to I don't know. We'll see how we decide we want to embellish these or draw them differently. I don't think differently, I mean, I don't know. Now, question for myself here is going to be, really I like the look of a dark area on the edge here, like like an aura with filled in. I like that look. That's on the sample here. This one, that one right there. I like that look. So I'm going to do that. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. If I sneeze unexpectedly, I apologize already. It might stop. I think it stopped. Ugh, this cold. Don't like having a cold. Or maybe it's allergies. I'm not sure which. Either case, I'm stuffy. A lot of people at work have been sick, so it's highly likely it's a cold. I've stuffed myself full of cold medicine, and I seem to have my voice back for the moment. Well, that's good. Well, hopefully I will stay uncongested long enough to do my videos for today. I really only draw one or 2 days a week. I've said that before. Monday's a good day most of the time, unless I have to work, but most of the time Monday is my day off. And it's quiet in here, there's nobody home, so it's a good day to get all my drawings in all in one day, and then I worry about it later to get them off my camera and into YouTube and on the computer and all of that stuff. I do that another day, but the actual drawing I try to do all in 1 or 2 stretches as I have time. I may end up doing, I don't know if I will get that far, but I may end up doing an extra set of videos in October. There's the Inktober challenge. I don't know if you guys are aware of Inktober, but it's where you challenge yourself to make 1 drawing a day for every day in October. And then you share on social media and so forth with the hashtag Inktober, Inktober. I'm going to make a grand attempt at that. I'm not sure I will be successful. I mean, this is hard enough doing 1 tangle every day with this process. So, I mean, I could use these as my Inktober as well, because I am making a drawing for every day. So I don't know. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I've been thinking about it. Okay, so I'm wondering if I shouldn't put a big one here. Well, that didn't come out very well. You know why? Because I didn't turn my tile. This is a funky shape. I tried, yeah, oh well. Oh well. I say that a lot. Oh well. We'll come out here with this and we'll see if we can't fix that shape a bit. That's better. A little bit better anyway. Maybe even better. Go even further out. I'm going to do that shape. We're going to do this shape for the petal things instead of that other shape. Similar, but different. Since I'd already goofed it up, I just goofed it up even more to make it trying to decide what I want to do in the middle of that one. Do I want to color the outside of that one? Sure. Why not? Why not? Hope I'm in frame here. I'm not paying attention again. That's what happens, especially when I'm coloring. All right. Let's try another one over here, and let's try to be a little more better. That shape is better. I do like it with this darker outside border thing. Okay. And then follow that. All right, that's the basic tangle. There we go. So, what do I want to do in the middles? I think I'm going to use purple. And maybe do some like that in the middle. Oops. This purple pen is a bigger nib. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a bigger nib. It's a 05 instead of an 01, so it's a lot thicker. So it's not making as fine a line as the original tangle. Do I like that? Well, it pops. Not sure I care for it though. Sometimes, you know, you experiment and you like it, and sometimes you don't. It's okay. Try like a checkerboard in here. And we're going to color some of the squares in, but not all of them, and not in a kind of in a random way. Not evenly dispersed, just kind of random. Just wherever I feel like it needs a bit of dark. And fill that one all the way in. Maybe one here. That looks good. Thinking those I'm just going to do like that. That's interesting. I really like this one. This one's not my favorite, but you know, that's because I goofed. This is called Elata, and I'm going to do a little bit of shading and call it a day. This one needs it here. For sure. And I don't know where else. Haven't decided yet. For sure, some right here. We'll just do where it kind of curves in. Just gonna do there. Same thing here. I'm just gonna do in the middle. Something like that. Could go bolder with my shading. It looks like it could use it. But I think that maybe this is enough. But it could get darker. Oh, that's interesting. Except for this one that I did with these lines going the wrong direction. I really like, I really like this one. That one I really like. And I like this string. This is cool. I think part of my issue is that I did the colored pen, which, you know, it just looks different in color than it does in black and white. It just does. There's something about black and white that just draws your eye to Zentangle, and you know, I experiment with different things and I try different stuff, and sometimes I really like it and sometimes it just doesn't resonate with me. It's okay. It is what it is. Hope you guys have a nice rest of your day. I'll see you later. Bye.